Most of the time, people always have bad things to say about police officers, especially when they have serious encounters with them on the road. However, I'm about to share a video with you with two talented police officers showing off their musical skills. So let's go over to that video right now. Wow, such great musical talent. Digital Rising Star, you should be watching out for this one. I wonder if this police officer know that she's actually in the wrong profession. I believe she should be in singing. Such great talent there coming from these two police officers. I'm not sure which station they are stationed to. However, I just want to say big up to them. Great vocal skills and the depth of her voice in one of those notes when she raises it sounds so melodious. Such great singing there coming from this police officer and the other police officer in the background as well. Very good musical instrument being played there in the background as well. And I just want to say much respect to them and much love goes out from Links 007 TV, because most of the time we've seen people say negative things about police and we know the whole drama that surrounds them at times as it relates to them and taxi people getting in altercation and all those things. But when I saw this video, I said I had to share this with you, the viewers. Such great vocal skills coming from this female. She sounds so good and she seems so calm throughout the entire song, and her breathing was just so lovely throughout the whole entire song. She did not seem at no point in time that she was struggling, and she delivered the song with an A1 performance. Bless up. This is where we're gonna leave this video right now. Just drop it in the comment section though how you felt. Do you believe that this female should enter the Digital Rising Star, or she is in the wrong profession? She should be doing singing as a career. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Links TV taking out once more.